How to log in Costco Citi Card online account. Hey everybody, welcome back to Official Help Desk. In today's video, you will learn how you can get logged into your Costco Citi Card online account. So without any further ado, let us jump right into the process. Head over to any of your web browser. In my case, I'm using Google Chrome. Now here at the top search bar, simply type in Costco Citi Card Login. At this section, simply scroll below until you see Citi Cards Login or Apply. At this page under Sign In, simply type in your user ID. Once you have done that, enter your password at the password box below. And in case you would like the site to remember your user ID, then check the box that says Remember My User ID. Once you have done all that, tap on Sign On. And if your credentials matches your account, you will get logged into your Citibank account. And in case you have forgotten your user ID or password, you can tap onto these options below and get help resetting your account. But if you don't have an account, tap on register your card and it will give you the instruction of how you can create one yourself. And that is how you can do it. So that is all for today's tutorial. If you would like to see more videos on this topic, then do comment down below and we will get back to you soon with more tutorials like this. In the meantime, what you can do is like this video and subscribe to our channel. Also, don't forget to hit the notification bell to never miss an update from us. Lastly, thank you very much for watching the video till the very end. We will catch you up in our next upload.